We're closing up now, but this brings me to what a lot of Christians have been saying concerning me as a single lady. And I've heard pastors say that it will be difficult for me to marry with my audacity. And I want you to know that if you want to know a true Christian, I will show you a man or a woman of audacity, fearless. God permitted wars. He permitted wars. I asked God, you permitted wars in the Bible. So this generation, people are not ready. You want to be liked. I want you to know that if you want to make a change, and you want to change a narrative, you will not be liked. So I understand from the part where Raymond was speaking, it's from body. To see that the generation reason correctly, knows what to say, the right thing. That you are a Christian, it should show in every aspect of your life, even the comment section, because it's quite unfortunate that we see you on the comment section. We are not seeing Muslims.
There's no Amina there. There's no Mustafa there.
See, let me tell you. In fact, some of my Muslim friends I grew up with, they were surprised that you people were dragging me for tithing. They see nothing wrong with giving. They sat me down and say, "What are they saying? Is it that they don't believe in giving, or what?" Right? So I'm just going to end on this note that whatever you see.
Allah,
I'm just going to end on this note to say that whatever you see Raymond represent out here, I'm not begging you to understand with him. I just want you to grow, right? Grow up, go back. It's time for you to go back and re-listen to his videos again and tell God, open my eyes to know him. And I'm going to say this once more. All of those blogs or those pages calling Raymond the man with the issue of truth. Seriously, if I come for you, don't do that. It's not correct. Don't address people that way. No. Because I expect you to know God better. And if you have gone through his video, you won't do that. Don't address, no. I'm particular about the way you address people.
If I explain that.
Seriously. I'm particular about that.
It's perspective. It's perspective. Look at it. Look at it like this. When they say Raymond is the man with the issue of truth, the question is, what is truth?
Yeah.
So they are correct.
Yeah.
Why?
Because
they don't know truth.
That's true.
That's the perspective.
Wow.
So I'm not, see, I say it's ignorance. They say Raymond is the man with the issue of truth. Oh yeah, ask them. What is truth?
Wow.
The word of God is truth.
The word of God is truth.
And they don't know the word of God. So they have issues with the word of God.
Oh, that's why
So that's what they have issues with.
Well, you need to stop that. Regardless, you need to stop that. All right.
All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, everyone, for
We have
joining
come to the end of
us
this
on
section.
show. We're supposed to dance on this section, but don't wait. We are going to see the video.
Who is dancing?
I'm going to dance now.
You want to dance?
We have a dance now. Your signature. We need to dance on this section.
There's one more episode that is coming up.
Yeah.
And she said something that we'll talk about in the next episode. We talked about that. I don't know how I want to say it. Permit me. It may not be exactly the way you said it.
Okay.
That somebody said, or a pastor said, that it will be difficult for you to get married.
Yeah.
So, permit me to say that the person is correct, but we have to explain it. So, in the next episode, we'll explain it, because that is not only you.
Yes.
Anybody that is standing out,
Yeah.
you are growing yourself, you are improving yourself. For sure, it's going to be difficult to get married, because the more you improve yourself, you are taking yourself away from the masses. So you cannot select from among the masses anymore. So when somebody says it's going to be difficult for you to get married, I just told you earlier how that I have plenty girls, plenty ladies, but I cannot just marry because they are not at my level. So I need somebody that is at my level.
Okay.
So, but when somebody says it go hard for you to get married, yes, you are correct.
Right.
Because I know if you marry a person like you, and I know if you marry a person like your daughter. Do you understand?
So, let's see you in the next episode.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everyone that is here, everyone that have waited.
Thank you, everyone.
God bless you.